Hello everyone, welcome back to Health Naturally. Today we will be discussing about leukorrhea. In Ayurveda it is known as Shweta Pradara. In common terms it may be known as whitish discharge from vagina or sometimes as white menstruation. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to Health Naturally where I upload health related videos every Saturday at 7 p.m. Like, share and comment, and also share it with your friends and family members and get the benefit of your health from your home. Shweta Pradara is a condition characterized by white vaginal discharge, not associated with pain, burning sensation, and mixed with other colors. Thus, it seems to be the description of leukorrhea. Signs and symptoms: the patient feels weak, run down, has pain in the back and cuffs, loss of vital fluids, itching pruritus on and around vulva, thighs and thighs joint. In mature ladies, inflammation of uterus following childbirth or its displacement, or some venereal diseases, especially gonorrhea, may also trigger and hasten leukorrhea flow. In young females, threadworms may cause onset of this disorder. Chronicity of disorders may lead to cancerous growth. Hence, it is necessary that actual cause is fully determined and deduced before initiating treatment. Treatment prescribed for Yoni Shrava: specific treatment, that is oral medicine. Pasteled roots of Rohataka, Tecoma undulata should be taken with water. Use of Dravyadi, Barberries, Aristata, etc. decoction causes Shweta Pradara. Paste or powder of Amlaki or seed of Amlaki, Embolica officinalis, should be taken with honey and sugar. Paste of Lodra, Symplochus racemosa, should be taken with decoction of steam bark of Nyagrodha ficus bengalensis. Use of decoction of drugs of Nyagrodha group is beneficial due to its astringent property. Use of Naga Kesar, Mesua fera with takra, buttermilk, followed by diet of only cooked rice and takra, can cure leukorrhea only within 3 days. Powder of roots of Chakramarda, Cassia tora, should be taken with Tandul Odaka, that is rice water, in the morning hours. Licking of powdered Shadavasa, a variety of Stearia italica, mixed with oil of tila, sesame oil, for 7 consecutive days causes leukorrhea. These are the pathya beneficial in Shweta Pradara: garlic, meat soup, all dairy products, and rice water. Apathya non-beneficial in Shweta Pradara: sweet and sour foods, nuts, and excess of salt. These are some of the preventive measures. Be healthy, eat well, get enough sleep, drink enough fluids. Patients should wear condoms during sexual intercourse with new partners. Keep vaginal area clean and dry to prevent fungal infection. Wear cotton undergarments. Wipe from front to back after urination or bowel movement. Avoid using deodorant pads or tampons. Do not use petroleum jelly or any other oils for lubricants. Use medication as long as directed. Do not scratch infected or inflamed area. It can cause further irritation. During an infection, use pads rather than tampons if menstruation occurs. Avoid vulvovaginal irritants including perfumed or deodorant, soaps, body washes. If symptoms persist after completing the treatment, an examination is indicated. Call for an appointment and please use nothing in the vagina for 48 hours prior to your pelvic examination. This video is just for educational and informative purpose and it should not replace your medical consultation. If you have any problem, it's always advisable to consult a registered Ayurveda doctor near you. Thank you.